guys, this is Chef Pradeep. Welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to make chocolate crunch pastry using Genoise Sponge. To make Genoise Sponge, I have taken 70 grams of flour. I am going to mix 15 grams of cocoa powder in this. Now I am going to mix this and keep this aside. Next, I have taken 3 whole eggs. I am going to beat them. After beating for a little while, only then you can start adding the sugar. For that, here I have 125 grams of sugar. These are beaten like this and it comes together. This is when you will start adding the sugar. Always add the sugar gradually. Adding sugar too rapidly will not allow the egg to rise. You can see just 3 eggs. See how much it have come up. Now in this stage, you will see lots of large bubbles coming and bursting. You should not beat any further. You have to stop it. You can see lots of bubbles on it. Now I'm going to add the flour and cocoa powder mixture. After adding flour, you have to mix it and you have to fold it with the rubber spatula gently without releasing too much of air bubbles. You can see the air is still intact, not disturbed. Flour is folded in. I'm going to add vanilla essence, 1.5 cap or 10 ml you can use. Along with it, I'm also add 100 ml of refined vegetable oil and I'm going to fold this in. Now our sponge mix is ready. I'm going to transfer into a prepared baking tin for baking. Now we are going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius and at bake setting. The sponge is ready. I'm taking it out. We are going to cool this down. Our Genoise sponge is ready now. You can see how soft it is. Now before we finish the pastries, there are a few things we have to do. I have taken a tray. In that I have some melted chocolate. I'm going to pour on that. Now I'm going to spread this. I want a thin sheet of chocolate. After spreading the chocolate like this, I'm going to refrigerate this. Now I'm going to slice the sponge. Now we are ready to make the pastry. It's been cut. First thing to do, I have sugar syrup here. I'm going to apply some sugar syrup. I have got some chocolate truffle made. So I'm going to put chocolate truffle in layers. Then I'm going to apply this. Now after applying chocolate truffle, this is where the crunch part comes. This is the chocolate which we were setting in the fridge. So I'm going to take, it should be very thin. So I'm going to take this piece and then I'm going to put it inside the layers. It will be, when you are eating these pastries, in between you will have lots of crunchy layers. It should be really thin. After keeping this thin slices of chocolate inside, now we are going to put another layer of sponge on top. After arranging the second layer of sponge, again sugar syrup, some more chocolate truffle. Again, similar to the first layer, we are going to put some more thin sheets inside. Then again sponge for the third layer. After final layer of sponge, again sugar syrup. Now we are going to do the finishing. Add truffle on top. After applying truffle on all sides and leveling it, now we are going to cut it. Make sure you dip your knife in hot water your knife is not hot, there is a chocolate pieces inside, and the bread knife will not go inside properly. Finished cutting the pastries, we are going to use this for the garnish as well. I'm going to take the pieces, break it into random pieces and apply on the all sides. It doesn't have to be perfect. Arrange like this, kind of thing. Same for all pastries. After arranging the pastries, now it's the sugar time.